Morning, dear students. As we discussed earlier in the video, how the 2D lists are different from nested list. The two-dimensional list is a list containing same type of elements with same number in each and every inner list. And that kind of two-dimensional list is known as a matrix. Now, in this video, we are implementing the matrices. We are creating the matrix here. We'll find some of the logics through the matrix. Look at the list here, which is written, already given. We have used the same list in the previous video. We have used the same matrix in the previous video. Each inner list containing integers and having same number of elements. So that this two-dimensional matrix can be, two-dimensional list can be used as a matrix here. This matrix is having two dimensions as rows and columns. Here are three number of rows and three columns. Columns containing the values always. This is row 1, address 0, row 2, address 1, and row 3, address 2. Here each element of the inner list having the addresses 0, 1, 2. Look at here. 0 address containing 0, 1, 2 addresses. First row containing 0, 1, 2 addresses. Second row containing 0, 1, 2 addresses. In this shape, which is known as matrix, we can create some of the logics. I am writing the matrix again here to find some logics as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now this is the matrix written. I told you how to display the matrix in the previous video, how to create a two-dimensional list in the previous video. Look at this. My need is to print these values which lies on main diagonal of this matrix. For this, I am writing a code. Before this, look at there. These are the addresses 0, 1, 2. To find the logic of this problem, I am writing a code here. These two loops to read rows and columns both. Now we are finding the logic to test the elements. The value 1 lies on, this is represented by I and this is represented by J. The value of I for 1 is 0 and for J is 0. For the value 5, the address for I is 1 and for J is 1. For the value 9, the address of I is 2 and for J is 2. These are the addresses of the values 1, 5 and 9. In this case, we have to just create a relationship between the addresses of rows and columns. What is the relation shown here? It is, the relation is directly shown here, that is I double equals to J. Wherever the I is equals to J, the values of main diagonal will be lies. In any of the other case, I and J will not be equal in this case. So the logic will be here, if I double equals to J, print LST of I and J. This will be the logic. So through this condition we will read only these elements. Look at the another problem. Second problem. I am writing the matrix again. In this case now, we need to find out these three elements. Again, addresses, the value 3, I address, J address. I represents rows, J represents columns in my program. 3, address of I is 0, J is 2. 5, I is 1, J is 1. And for 7, I is 2, J is 0. So at address 20, 7 is placed. As address 11, 5 is placed. And address 02, 3 is placed. Just try to find out the relation here. In this case, what I found, I plus j is equals to length of list minus 1. It is len means length of list minus 1. Length of list is, which is given here, length of list is 0, 1, 2. Yani 1, 2 and 3. Length of list is 3. So 3 minus 1. That is 2. So 0 plus 2 is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 0 is 2. So in this case, we can write the logic for I in range 3. Again for j in range 3. If I plus j double equals to len lst minus 1, then print lst of I j. So this is the logic again. For any kind of problem, for any of the problem related with this matrix, for the diagonals, for the values below the diagonal, above the diagonals, and number of the problems I will give you to solve to create the logic. Keep remember one thing, every time when you create a logic, the logic will be created with the relation of the value address of I and j, or we can say the address of rows and columns. We have to create a relationship. We can use arithmetic operators like this. We can use directly the relational operators, I less than j, I greater than j, I equals to j, or I plus j, whatever. By any means we have to create the relationship between I and j, so that we can find out the proper value to be displayed, to be executed. Because I told you, the element is placed always at the intersection point of the address of row and the column. So with this video, I'll send one more PDF to you in which number of questions will be placed, so that you will have to create the logics. And keep remember, logic will be created by writing functions. Stay safe, stay at your home. Thank you.